What's the real deal between a digital product that collects dust and one that pulls in a cool $3,000 month after month? Well, it's not some secret marketing magic. It's not some fancy pants software, and you definitely don't need a massive following right out the gate. The answer is way simpler than you're probably thinking. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to lay out the exact formula I use to cook up digital products that practically sell themselves. And what's up? I'm Ronnie, and my mission is to help you awesome 9 to 5 workers match or even smash your current income by selling your own digital products. And listen, the absolute best way to create a digital product that's a real moneymaker in my book is by doing your own digging, market research. Plain and simple, real data and honest feedback. That should be your North Star when you're creating and selling your own digital products. And trust me, I've been down that road of just creating whatever felt good at the time. And let me tell you, it's a complete time waster. I honestly couldn't figure out why my stuff wasn't selling, and I was totally lost on what to do about it. And it feels like nobody breaks down the nitty gritty of data in a way that's easy to understand. But without that data, if you're just throwing digital products out there like I used to, you're basically guessing. And guess what? You're going to feel like nothing's working. And you know how I know? Because that's exactly where I was. But ever since I started using this step into my process, it's been a game changer. I'm talking about $3,000+ every single month. So I want to walk you guys through my 4-part system so that you can learn how to whip up your own digital products that practically sell themselves. So first things first, knowing where to find your data. You got to know your ideal customer inside and out. If you get who they are, you'll know exactly where they're hanging out online and how to get their feedback. If you're still fuzzy on who your ideal customer is, grab a pen and paper and sketch them out. I want you to learn all about their behaviors, their hobbies, their passions, their problems, like you're getting to know a new friend. Now, I actually found this cool website called HubSpot, and they have this feature called Make My Persona, which is going to basically help you find and learn more about your ideal customer. And this is totally free. So you could just go in on Google and Google it, or I drop the link down below this video in the comment section and in the YouTube description. But all you would have to go if you're just starting out and all this is a little bit difficult for you, is just click on this button called Build My Persona, and it's going to walk you through the entire process of helping you get some information about your ideal customer so you can know what products they're actually ready to buy from you. And it's going to walk you through 7 steps of creating your avatar. And you can actually give your avatar a name and give them a picture or an avatar from one of the selections. But by the time you're done, you're going to know their preferred method of communication, the tools they need to do their job, their responsibilities. The job is what it's measured by. It's going to give you tons of reports, goals, and objectives. And it's going to help you with their biggest challenges. But most of all, it's going to give you some intel, some real data that you can use inside your business and build and create and sell digital products that your ideal customers are wanting to buy. Now, once you've done your research, you can plug all that info in and it'll help you nail down your client avatar or your buyer persona. Now, this is gold because whenever you're doing your research or creating your own digital products, you can always circle back to this avatar and ask yourself, am I really helping this person? Is what I'm doing actually making a difference for them? Am I solving their biggest headaches and helping them reach their goals quickly and easily? Now, the easiest places to snag that data quickly is obviously the online world. So I want you to start thinking in terms of things like Facebook groups, YouTube community posts. Even if you don't have your own audience yet, you can jump into communities built by people in your niche and read everything that gets a human response, comments, questions, pain points. Part of this whole process is not just getting to the data fast, but learning how to read it like a pro. So I want to show you exactly how you can sniff out some data. All you have to do is head over to YouTube and type in whatever your niche is or what you're interested in, and then jump into a random channel and look at their community tab or post. And just to give you an example, right now I'm inside my own community post, and you can see you can utilize any creator's information if you don't have your own audience yet. So you can see all the data in this post right here, and your ideal audience or your ideal customers are already telling you the information that you need and give you data on what type of digital products that you can create. And you can do this with any digital creator on YouTube or any Facebook post, comments. You can go on Reddit or even inside forums all over the internet. Just type in your niche, go to someone who has your audience or your ideal audience and get all the information and look for things that are repetitive, where people are saying the same things over and over again. Another cool thing you can do is Facebook, and Facebook groups are your thing. All you have to do is go inside a Facebook group that has your audience and has your niche, and you can go inside their search bar and you can type in question. So I'm just going to put in question, digital products, and then hit enter. And now it's going to show you all the questions about those digital products that people are asking. And these can be community posts. These can be a lot of different things, and you're going to be able to get data. By the way, if you want to know all the Facebook groups I use to find my ideal customers, I'll leave a link below to where you can get access to them in the YouTube description. There's also another free website called answerthepublic.com. And all you have to do is come to this free website, key in your niche, hit enter. And then it's going to show you all the questions that your ideal audience in your niche are asking, and it's broken down, and you can use this as some great intel to create products around, as well as content on social media. So those are 3 solid ways to dig up data. But if you've already got your own following and email list, that's even better. You can survey them directly. But if not, no sweat, these methods still work like a charm. So now that you know your ideal client and where to find them, now it's time to actually capture that data and read it carefully. Now, you can whip up a survey in Google Forms, or even simpler, use the poll feature on your favorite social media platform. What you're looking for, though, is patterns. Like maybe a large chunk of people respond to your poll or survey with a similar answer, or if you're drawing a blank on what to ask in your survey, or you need a template, or maybe you need more guidance on using data to create killer digital products, I've got you covered in my Digital Income Starter Kit. My Digital Income Starter Kit is that thing that's going to help you go from zero to selling like a pro. And it's super fast and easy. But once you have that data staring you in the face, people will literally tell you what they want, and then you can create a digital product based on that gold mine of information. So let's say you survey 100 people about the struggles with a hobby farm, and a common theme pops up: growing grass in the summer or battling weeds. Now, instead of creating a digital product on what you thought would sell, maybe something like how to start a hobby farm, you now know that people are craving solutions for growing grass or getting rid of weeds. That's the power of data right there. So now that you've got your data, now you can use this in so many smart ways to craft your digital product. And get this, you can even use that same data to sell your digital product. So let me break it down for you. Not only have your ideal clients practically told you what product they want you to create, but when they responded to your comments or filled out your surveys, they used their own words. And guess what? You can take all that language and sprinkle it all over your sales page. If you're speaking their language, using their exact terms, and addressing their specific problems, they're going to feel like your digital product is the perfect fit for them. By doing these surveys, you're going to see common themes popping up and open-ended questions so people could give you their free responses. And this is where you're going to get those golden nuggets of their exact wording. So step-by-step instructions, do things more efficiently, or maybe happy earning something. Don't want to overcomplicate things. You can literally lift those phrases and use them on your sales pages. These are the juicy bits you need to pay attention to. So make sure you really dig into that data and read it thoroughly. You can take all those words and weave them into your sales pages, your email marketing, everywhere. And that's why capturing and reading data is so crucial. You can use a tool like System.io to easily build your sales page, automatically deliver your digital product, and always keep your data in mind when you're creating anything. So ask yourself, when you're writing your sales page or an email or creating your product, does this resonate with my data? Then, when you're promoting your product, everything feels so targeted, it practically sells itself. Now, this is the whole system. Everything that I've walked you through today is exactly what I use all the time. I'm doing the exact same thing with my digital income starter kit. And honestly, I feel like this has been the key to my success and the growth I've seen. Out of everything I've done in my business, this is the one thing that just clicked and is paid back tenfold. Data is real, it's tangible, it's easy to read, and it's the absolute secret sauce to creating a product that sells itself. So no matter where you are on your digital product journey, whether you're just starting out or you've got a product that's not quite hitting the mark, go back to the data, because now you know how to find it, how to read it, and how to use it like a secret weapon. Nothing is stopping you from creating that digital product that practically sells itself. So now you know the exact steps to create a digital product that's a real winner. It's time to power up even further. And you can do that by watching the video popping up on your screen right now. Because when you pair what you just learned in this video with what you're going to learn in the next, it's going to make you way more powerful. Stay blessed.